Hi everyone, today I wanted to record a bit of an informal video on Google CodeJam, which is a coding competition that I really enjoy and participate in most years. So why I participate in these sorts of things is that I enjoy sort of practicing my algorithm skills. It can come in really handy when you get to doing interviews for different companies and they do a technical interview. It also helps you sort of interpret different questions because they are quite wordy questions in general, I find. So I find that is one of the main challenges for me, is actually understanding what the question is asking. But they give you some sample inputs and outputs to help you sort of clarify that a bit better in your mind. So yeah, the qualification round starts this weekend. So I wanted to post this before the weekend to give you guys a chance to sign up. You just go to codingcompetitions.withgoogle.com and you'll go to CodeJam and you can sign up there. You can also submit your CV when you're registering, I believe. And one thing that I've found is that Google Recruitment has often contacted me in the past, and I don't know if it's been linked to me participating in Google CodeJam, but I do tend to get contacted after that. So the first round is a 27-hour round, which is quite convenient because it basically is going to fit into whatever time zone you are in. And you don't need to be in the top X people, you just need to get a certain amount of points, I believe. And if you succeed at that, then you'll proceed through to round one. You can take part in any or all of these rounds, but notice that they're all at very different times. So, for example, I think one year I was up at 4 a.m. participating in a round. So you might not want to participate in all of them, but to give yourself the best chance of getting to round 2, you'd possibly want to. Basically, these rounds are a lot shorter and you're competing to get the most points in the given time frame, and then the top X competitors go through. I think it will say it in the rules or the FAQ as to how many competitors go through. If you proceed, you'll go to round 2 and then round 3 and then the final round. And there are some cool prizes at stake here, so you can read more about it on the Google CodeJam website. If you're wanting to practice and see what previous questions are, you can go to the archive and you can select a different year and see the different scoreboards, see the problems and just work through them, and it'll give you good practice. Even if you're not wanting to do the Google CodeJam, I find it good practice for when you're coming up to doing technical interviews, to get your mind thinking quite deeply and solving those sorts of problems. So yeah, I do recommend it, and I think it'll be really good if you guys participate. So yeah, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you guys again soon.